Let's talk to people. Hi, people. Hi, people. My camera
Hi.
needs to move at some point so that I can look at the screen. I have.
Yeah.
I was ready for the game day because I had the my laptop here with uh, my character sheet, and then the cameras right here, and I was gonna just like be like talking to the character sheet, like crazy person, and I think that will work really well. But for the most of the time, I'm like looking over here. But yeah, so I'm Jacob Evans. We're in my channel, and if you are here, you probably already know me because of my Twitter Spaces. um, but I'll let um, Kraken here introduce themselves, and then we can move on.
Yeah, if you want. I mean, like, as the DM, you could just put my real name on here, actually. Um, so my name is Hector. Hello, everyone. Um, I go by Kraken. It's my gamer tag. Also, whenever I stream on Twitch, channels at twitch.tv/Kraken Dev. Um, so yeah, hello. I am going to hopefully not be the most boring DM, but we'll see what happens. And I think we're gonna have a lot of fun with this group. I've got to meet them over the past couple of weeks, and they're interesting to say the least.
That's nice. That's a nice way of putting it.
Yeah. So,
Tell,
anybody
tell
else
us
want
how
to
you
go?
really feel. Yeah.
How do I really feel? You don't want to know how I really feel. It's dark in there. Anyways, yeah, that's me. I am. I actually work at Twitch, believe it or not, and also like Jacob, ex army, just all around nerd, programmer, as most of us, I think all of us are. We're just like what, a group of programmers being nerdy and playing some D&D. So
we
this is gonna be definitely fun for
yeah,
sure.
we do have a future member that will be coming in. Doesn't have a character name yet, so we're just going to call them Lissa because
Okay.
that's their name. And uh, they are a librarian, so it's Dev D&D and the librarian. So it's gonna be super fun. Bryn, you want to tell us
Yeah.
about yourself?
Yeah. I've been playing D&D for a little while. I work at Ping. Did I point the right way? Nice. Camera is mirrored, but I can still point the right way. Ping. It's up. It's up. It's up there. Okay, there we go. Look, I'm in frame. Nice. Ping.gg. Come check us out. Um, yeah, Jacob dragged me into this. I've played. No, you're going the wrong way. Actually, you have to go there. It's hard, right?
My camera is mirrored too, and I'm like watching the stream at the
Yeah,
same time.
but then you're watching Jacob's version of the stream, which is also mirrored.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little confusing. Um, I totally lost my train of thought. Yeah, I'm psyched to play some D&D. It's going to be super fun. Ryan's gonna join us. I haven't even met Lissa yet, but I'm sure they're awesome.
Oh, and we have some first-time D&D players here. I'm actually still kind of fairly new to D&D. Not super new enough to try my hand at DMing. It'll be my first time DMing, and it's going to be a couple of people in the group's first time playing D&D in general too. So that's something to look forward to.
Yeah, we have as far as I know, I don't think Lissa has any possibly tabletop experience even. So like
Oh, this
this,
will be great.
yeah, this is gonna be super fun. I actually brought this up as well previously, where I personally think some of the best people to play with are brand new people because they don't think in the lines of like oh, what's in the player's handbook? What am I allowed to do? They go, hey, can I do this? And it's like, yeah, roll for it. Let's see what happens.
Oh no, absolutely. You'll notice that I like to play with the rule of cool. I mean, I think the other day in one of my other campaigns, I was like, "It's a dragon 75 feet in the air." And I was like, "Can I use like all of this movement that I have, because I had like crazy amounts of movement, and use some of it to jump in the air and try to stab at it in the air. It was the coolest thing whenever you like explained it. And I learned later that I could not do that, but
You could not
made
jump
for good
75
story.
feet in the air.
I had 120 feet of movement. Thank you very much. I thought at least like the DM could cut that in like almost half and allow me to stick a pointy thing and a Shardolin dragon in the air. It was cool.
I love the idea that like Usain Bolt could move like 100 meters, like however quickly, so he could jump 50 meters in the same amount of time.
Oh, we threw in like I jumped off somebody's shield. It was just great.
Yes, D&D. You're only limited by your imagination and the dice. Because I don't know about you, but every time I want to do something cool, it goes, that's a 1.
Yeah. There was this one quote I heard. I can't even remember who said it. But D&D is like determined by fate with the dice. It's like that's what drives anything in the world. Anything can happen if the dice allow it.
Let the dice decide. That's gonna be like the intro with like music once we get production money. Let the dice decide. Yeah.
My dice always decide bad things.
There's a TikTok of a couple that they let a lot of their like daily life decisions and also like decisions around like conversations in their relationship were like, hey, what do you want to go eat? I don't know, what about this or this? And they're like, let's roll the die, and they'll roll a d20 for it. It's the best.
I think
they make
I wrote this
decisions too.
I wrote this stupid little app once where it was very much, RNG or what have you. I just rolled the dice for like I think it used the Yelp API to grab like restaurants near you within I think 5 miles or something like that, or 10. And then it would choose randomly from the list and say, hey, this is where you're gonna eat tonight. And that was actually pretty fun.
That is something I would expect from a D&D nerd that is also a software engineer.
Yep.
Hey, what'd you make? Basically, D&D Yelp. That's
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That's great. Yeah, so also, I think Ryan got caught up with something else as well, and I know that you're short on time today, Hector. So I figured we just introduce people, put the tech to the test, because we all know how well tech works the first time around. And I have phenomenal luck with things. So we spent 20 minutes on my name on the text right below me right now that you're all looking at. 20 minutes.
Kept running away. We're still not sure why.
Yeah, no.
I sent you the scene with the text, and then it just wandered off.
Like it was huge too. Like off the screen somewhere. I was like, why? Why is my computer using 20% of its CPU? It's like because it's rendering like 5,000 pixels of text somewhere off screen. That's why.
It could also be because you're rendering a stream within a stream within a stream right now.
Yeah.
Since your OBS and stuff.
Yeah, because you're streaming your OBS.
If you right click on the screen inside of OBS.
Yeah.
Like just the preview. Right click on the preview screen.
Right click on the preview screen.
Yeah, directly on the preview screen. Enable preview. It's at the very top. There it is. You're still streaming, but you can no longer see us.
Oh no. It's darkness. All right.
But no, it's still working. It's still working. The Twitch stream is still going.
I am so excited for this stream. I love it.
Yeah.
We're streaming with reckless abandon, and
Yes.
I think that's so fun. I hope we play D&D the way we stream too.
I do.
I'm almost certain that's exactly how it's gonna go.
See, now I'm looking at ping. So it's ping.
You're
inside of
doing
ping inside
the
of
same
ping.
thing. You're still nesting it like 8 times. I'm still going through OBS because it's using OBS Virtual Cam.
It's like the Hector is just blurred out and ping now. So,
Wonderful.
What is my settings for this?
Yeah, it's down res you so hard, Hector, and I have no idea why.
I know.
It's
I look so weird.
But it's 100% on OBS here.
No, it's doing that in ping intentionally so that we don't like eat up a ton of bandwidth coming through ping. But I am super crisp, so I don't know.
Super crisp.
Yeah, the stream looks good.
No, but I mean, even
on your shared Chrome, I don't.
Yeah, even in Jacob's ping, I look like you're way lower resolution, and I have no idea why. It could be your internet's more limited, so it's like trying to do fancy things.
What I don't understand is why like I don't have a blue filter on, I don't have a blue light on, and everything in my stuff looks.
You do look pretty blue.
It is very bluish.
I mean, like automatic webcams tend to be really cool.
You have to.
I have to make mine warmer.
I have to make mine warmer too, and I have like lights here, and here.
I should turn the light on. Hold on, watch
to
this.
get some color.
The tower. Light.
Yeah, watch this make it way better. No, it made it worse. You're very Daba D right now.
Yeah.
Oh, that was great. I have a light on, but it doesn't do that much. It just, I don't know, makes my face lit. Oh!
There you go.
Oh no.
I'm very shiny with the light on. It's like a Moana. So shiny. All right. So yeah, I'll figure out.
So we do have the module in Roll20. Let me go ahead and buy that real quick.
Oh, cool! With like the maps and stuff.
I believe so. Yeah, there's a like a module here for Call of the Netherdeep.
Yo, our production value is going to be so good for the amount of time that we put into prepping this. Like,
let's see if I can get this.
Reckless abandon, and it's gonna look so good.
Yeah.
It's like, oh wow, your overlay is amazing. What'd you do? I'm like, Bryn spent like 40 minutes on it.
Bought it on Etsy.
Bought it on Etsy.
In 40 minutes.
Yeah. It's true. It took me much longer to try and line the text up because OBS is hard than it did to like, set up the overlay. The overlay was pretty easy. I mean, this is a great product demo. You know, look how slick your D&D stream can look if you just use ping and a $40 Etsy template. Oh yeah.
See, I need to be able to view this.
You can see it in ping.
OBS thing without you all seeing it, and I think Windows has the ability to have like different desktops now. Yeah,
but they don't both exist at full resolution. It's not like actually having two monitors. It's just like a single monitor that displays two different desktop environments.
Okay, because I thought it separates them like virtually, like MacBooks do.
Yeah, it does, but I don't think you can screen capture one into OBS. Like you screen capture the in OBS you can do a window capture instead of a screen capture, which is probably what you're going to need to end up. Yeah, or I mean, do you have a second monitor?
No, I'm overcomplicating it, which is common. That's a common practice of mine.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of people use like a few different monitors. I know, like Robert, for example, he has a whole monitor that's 1080p for looking at the program feed 1-to-1. So
this isn't bad. $10 a month for the pro subscription on Roll20. gives me
You have-
like
you have to-
API and dev access.
Well,
You have to pay for the pro subscription?
If I want API and dev server access, you never know. Like I get into things sometimes, and I like to have the option.
in chat, we have somebody that says, "You took all the pixels, Bren."
Yeah, that's Mark saying that. Mark's also in the stream.
Hi, Mark.
Okay. So...
Yeah, I have no idea why
I love
actors
that
second.
we're not even playing D&D yet, and I still am already having fun.
Yeah. You took all the pixels, Brent. That'll do it.
I think
It
Ryan,
is. It's
I think Ryan
crazy,
also
yeah.
forgot about today, so it's okay.
Okay, so I'm going to invite y'all to this.
to Roll20.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
So...
It's been a long time since I've interacted with Roll20.
Oh, sweet. Here's a link. Okay.
I'm hoping I have
I'm
my
gonna throw
password
this
saved.
link in here. Here we go.
Ooh, and we have ASMR in the stream because I think everyone can hear when you receive a Discord message.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you about what you can or cannot hear. I got that stuff filtered out from my
Oh no, I have a Roll20 password saved, but no Roll20 email.
I totally have a Roll20 account, and I do not remember at all. I hope it's saved.
Ooh, I found it. Okay, cool. I should really update that before I forget, or I'm never gonna be able to get into this again.
Oh, thank God. Password managers, people, use them.
Ooh,
I
what
do.
password manager do you use, and what is your master
One
password?
One password.
What's my master password?
I use 1Password, and my master password is 1Password.
Oh my god.
That's
But do I use the number one or the word one?
Well, that's how it's secure because no one knows.
No one will ever know.
No one will
How
ever
many
know.
of those? How
No
many
one
of
will
those are
ever know. No one will
capitalized
know.
letters?
No one will ever know. Nobody's gonna know. I'm gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. By the way, I am a mean machine. You're gonna hate me after like a month.
Wait, what password manager do you use?
I use Bitwarden. Now this it's okay. This is my tier. This is my tier of password managers for everybody that's listening. 1Password has a pretty decent free tier, and the best paid tier. LastPass has nobody from LastPass is listening, has a garbage tier for free, and has a pretty good paid tier. It used to be they had a really excellent free tier, and when you paid, it was just like icing on the cake. They decided to, I don't know, like reverse Uno themselves for some reason. Anyways, Bitwarden is free open source. It has a really generous free tier, but it's like everything about it is so-so. When you pay for it, like you get the premium stuff with Bitwarden, everything is still so-so. It's just now you got more so-so stuff.
This isn't like a great sell for Bitwarden.
Oh no. I do not heavily suggest it.
Yeah.
It's probably one of the worst user experiences.
I just honestly could not get over the fact that they had like a Font Awesome icon as their logo. First of all, I don't know how Font Awesome hasn't complained yet and been like, go make a logo. But I just saw that and I was like, you're not a real company. You're just like Font Awesome strapped to React. That's not a product.
Yeah.
Nobody look at the icons in pink.
To be fair, I jumped off of it was when LastPass was like really like locking down their free tier and like making everything like very much on the premium side. And I was like, I don't want to be part of this anymore, and decided to move away from them. And the first one that I saw that had a generous free tier, same features and stuff, was Bitwarden, and they had the import all your stuff from other password managers. It was like free and stuff. So not the other ones weren't at the time.
Yeah. Actually, to be fair, I don't know why I'm knocking open source stuff because I switched off KeyPass. I was like, I used KeyPass for like 4 years because I didn't trust anyone to host my passwords, and then I put my KeyPass file in my Dropbox, but that's not the point.
Yeah.
But I was like, that's kind of secure, right? But then I just gave up and switched to 1Password and never looked back.
Yeah, I've done all of those. I think 1Password. I've never looked back. I've had it for years.
I think
so
1Password is like S rank. Like it is the top of the password manager. I don't know, pecking order.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Agree to agree. I'm trying to find where can I find these maps? I want to like throw up a map and see.
Yeah, wait. You should try moving to like a window share and putting up Roll20 instead of OBS if you can, Jake.
Okay. Am I supposed to do that with this desktop one, right?
Yeah, so you can replace that with a window capture. I just gave you a full display capture. You can just put a window capture on top of it. So that's just going to let you capture different displays. You have to make a new source.
New source.
How many of these D&D games do you think are going to devolve into like us just talking about tech?
Well, any of the ones where we're not playing D&D for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, for sure. Because in my world, what is a tech? Like, what is?
Oh yeah. That's every time I watch games where like they're like something baseball, and they're like, "What's baseball?" Yes.
I love when that happens.
Yeah, so if you size that to approximately fit in the hole and then drag the layer so it's sorry. And then drag the layer so it's below the overlay, then it will, like be in the hole. Yeah.
Thanks.
It's getting worse the more I say it.
Yeah.
It is. It's not improving. Layers. Where are the layers? Transform. Order.
Oh no, the layers are all the like elements in that box. Those are layers.
I did something.
Yeah, they're seeing us set up a D&D stream from scratch.
where it says sources. Those are actually like layers. So the order of the sources in that panel to the right of scenes. I can't really see where your mouse is because there's a window in the way. But
order. Well, I clicked on it and I see order and it says move up or move down.
You can do that too, but also but if you just drag it in the little, in the thing.
In the thing.
Yeah, down there. If you just drag so probably at the top of the list will be the share. If you scroll up in the sources list.
If I scroll up in the sources list, okay, share.
Yeah, there you go. Window capture. Did you see window capture?
Yeah.
Drag that to be just above display capture, so almost at the bottom, or desktop. Yeah, just above desktop. Don't put it above your face. Okay, there you go.
Oh, okay. It is like a hierarchy inside of the sources list.
Yeah, like they're layers.
Well, I mean, that would make sense if I actually was listening, and also ever used Photoshop or Figma in any way that was meaningful.
That's fair. So if you want to...
Have you used Photoshop before? Have I? Yes. Yes, I have. Now, your question does not ask, have you used Photoshop well?
Or did you find the layer panel in Photoshop, or were you just frustrated?
I mean, you're describing my interaction with all tech. That's. Did you figure this thing out and actually understand what you were doing, or did you just like fumble around in the dark until you got it?
Hector, it says you're a pro here, and that you've played 7 hours of D&D.
Is that right?
According to Roll20.
According to Roll20, I don't even remember playing D&D on Roll20. It must have happened years ago. This is a very old account.
I wonder if it says how many hours I've played. 25. Look at that. The other stream I'm on, they use Roll20, but only for music. So you just sit in the call so you can hear the music in the background.
Wait, can you see this?
Can we see what? Well, in Roll20?
Yeah.
I do have it open. I'm still on Call of the Netherdeep Critical Role, like the front page. It hasn't transitioned for me.
Am I supposed to click on something?
You have to click launch game. You're not even in Roll20.
Sick. Launch game. We're good. We're all right, everybody. Unsupported browser. This is a good start.
Oh, does it really say that?
Yeah.
Have you tried using a supported browser? Feels like a good idea.
Thanks.
Ooh, what the characters know. Kryn Dynasty. Gigolo. No, Jigao.
Jigao. Yeah, that's what I was trying to show. Can you see that?
No, I'm reading. I opened the little like text blurbs on the right, and I'm reading what the characters know. Characters begin the adventure knowing the following facts, which you can share with the players as they create their characters. Oh, I wonder if I'm supposed to be able to read this. I mean, I guess so. It says that the characters
That
know
the players should know. Yeah.
So presumably we should know it.
Yeah, there are a couple of things I wanted to go over with y'all. Like I still haven't completely like read through like some of the systems in there, but there's some very interesting backstory to this world, like in the world of Exandria, that plays a big part in this story that is like would be important for everyone to know.
Should we wait till the other people are here?
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm not going to go through that today, but we will go through that for sure.
It's weird that you can't see the Call of the Netherdeep thing, Jacob. Oh, Jacob rolled a d20. You got a 13.
I did.
It's not bad.
Congratulations! Starting off the campaign with an unlucky number.
Yes. All right. So I mean, I'm just following the theme here of my life. So I can't fit the entire thing inside of this little space here because it is big.
Well, you can resize it.
Thanks. So so it doesn't like to resize.
Oh, it's like not the right shape.
Yeah.
It's kind of okay, honestly, because like Roll20 is like a map that you pan around. So if you close the Welcome to Roll20 thing, see if it renders. It should render a picture for you that says like Critical Role Call of the Netherdeep, but I think because you're on an unsupported browser, that might not work. You might need to switch to Chrome. Because it doesn't seem to be loading the main page for you.
Yeah, that's interesting. Only because I'm using Brave, but
which should be Chrome, but is not.
Same thing.
It's funny. Ping supports Brave. We just don't support Firefox.
What if I just do this? And it's fine now? Yeah, it's fine now. Yep.
Oh, what did you do?
I just turned off the Brave Shield thing that
I see.
website hates.
So you can kind of zoom this around. So honestly, you can probably zoom it in. Like, I don't even know if you need our little pictures in the bottom left corner.
Yeah.
And then you can just pan it, right?
What if I just do... I can also just zoom. I can just use the zoom feature here.
Okay.
How bad does it look right now?
Oh, there you go. Look, I can draw arrows for you. See, look there.
Well, that's actually not too bad.
Look at
It's
nose.
still huge,
See?
though.
Do you see that nose? Oh, it's a good nose right there. Right. Well, look at this guy's nose. Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's a terrible idea. Don't do that. Alright, well, I'll figure this out. I'll figure it out. We'll figure it out.
I was trying to find out where I could find the maps for this module.
Hopefully that came with buying it.
I hope it did. That was great.
That seems like the main value proposition.
That's what I was hoping for.
Can you imagine if you pay for the module and all it gives you is this splash screen?
Oh my god. And welcome to ADHD. My impulsivity just no research, just a module on Roll20 because I want to play on. Yeah. This is what I shall buy.
Oh, thank you, Ariel. I'm a little proud of my trying to figure out how to do like an opacity overlay in OBS to get the ping logo to like look like it's on the map. Kind of okay. Pretty happy with it. Yeah.
All right. So
many settings.
This stuff is going on. Am I able to show this stuff? Oh, that's good. That's good.
Yeah.
We can talk about our characters a little bit if y'all want as well.
Mm-hmm.
I think I don't know what Alyssa is doing. I have a pretty good idea. We have some interesting character choices this time around. I'm very excited. None of them typical, which is the best kind. We don't have like a trope, stereotypical class race combo of any kind happening here. It's golden. My paladin is a level 5 Azamar variant that is a chaotic good paladin. So that's gonna be fun. Picked up Oath of the Vengeance as well, because what goes best with chaos than vengeance? All right. But yeah. Character background, I'm not going to get into that. You're going to have to watch to find out about my really screwed up background.
Yeah, you got some bad luck there.
I do. I took a lot. I took a lot from my own life and put it into Ruin Celadon. By the way, spell his last name backwards. Nice Easter egg for you. Enjoy.
Do you want me to talk about my character quick?
I mean,
is it a secret?
We're not too far from the campaign, I'd say.
So my character's name is Anira Afara, and she she throws javelins. If she's Afara, if she's more feeling Anira, she stabs them with a spear. It's good to have options. Other than that, she's just
I'm regretting my decisions.
She's just a spunky 5-foot-something Eladrin elf who, if you mess with her, gonna get smacked with a javelin.
Yeah. We can talk about more characters, but they're not here. So, what else can we do? I think, Hector, you said that you were gonna be able to stick around for a little bit, but I don't know if you have figured out the modules yet.
I am trying. I see game add-ons from my little venture into Google just now.
Well, I mean, some of it's here because it has at least what the characters know. So it has the beginning part.
You have like the module in there, but I'm trying to see. Let's see. There's a Roll20 Pro map pack, but that doesn't sound like Call of the Netherdeep map pack. So I'm not sure. Let's see here. Recent upload from me. Fresh. Okay. Premium assets. Marketplace purchases. I see a bunch of tokens I could throw in here.
You're drawing the slime. Who's drawing the slime?
Oh, graphic design is my passion.
You should pursue it.
I'm actually paid by Theo to pursue it.
I have all the confidence in you.
Just everybody, just remember when you see the fantastic whatever that is, just take a look to the right and powered by ping.gg. That is where Anira Afara works to produce wonderful art such as this.
To show it to you, Anira, having been created from Afara.
Oh, I totally screwed up the perspective on this hat. It's not good.
Right, that's
it goes
100%.
like behind, but in front. It's very confusing.
That's 100% the questionable part of this.
Oh no, it's getting a body. Oh dear. The longer you take, Hector, to develop this, the more the creature shall evolve.
Oh, Lord, I'm trying. Oh, God.
What is this, like a snow abomination?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's
These are its
fantastic.
little hands. And it's gonna have tiny fingers. Oh yeah.
It's like
I do
the
not
toy-
want to create maps from scratch.
The
That would
toy
be
factory
terrible.
screwed up and made like a teddy bear robot.
It has a belly button.
Oh
Because
no!
how was it born? And it's gonna have feet. Well, toes. Maybe not feet.
There's still 5 people watching this. I'm just pointing that out.
I want to keep them
Apparently they,
entertained.
think we're interesting enough while
Can
I'm
you-
here trying
can you
to
can you
throw a
change your
map on
cate-
the screen.
Can you change our category to art stream, please?
Yes. Yes, I can. Hold on.
This screen
Oh
is
yeah.
art. I'm
and
afraid.
they're gonna have the like ringed tail.
What
like,
is this
Mario
Travelocity
gets
ass creature that you have on the screen right now? It's the Travelocity gnome. It's the Travelocity beaver.
Is this what the Travelocity gnome looks like? I don't know. But y'all better not delete this before I can take a picture of it, because this is going on some official branded Ping merch.
Yeah, this is now streaming on the art category.
Did you actually change it?
Oh,
Oh my
yeah.
god, you did! That's amazing.
Yeah.
Hopefully someone will find it.
When I say that I will stream with reckless abandon, I truly mean it.
I
I think they need a magic wand.
I honestly, I want somebody from Twitch to reach out to me and be like, "What? Are you okay?"
the
All
answer is
good.
always
All
no.
good. Oh no, it looks like a knife. It can be a knife.
It's okay. It's okay. I said it's mature content. We're fine. The strange red panda raccoon robot teddy bear can have a knife.
Making drawing much harder.
Oh god.
There we go. Well, that's coming for you in your dreams.
What is it?
I don't know. I don't
It
know how
looks
to
like-
delete.
I
Anyone
found a
know
set
to-
of maps for Foundry, but not Roll20.
We can switch to Foundry after you've got all the Roll20 stuff.
Oh no, hell no. Foundry's so
Oh, I can
fun.
move the box. Go away, box. No one likes you.
Is this module? Does this module seriously have no?
Oh no.
It just has the source books, or is it really not have maps? Just source books.
I think there are maps. I think we just can't find them.
Oh,
And by we, I mean Hector.
I'm pretty sure there has to be maps.
There should be, right? Like, there's no way that like you bought like the module would not come with like some
I
maps.
know. So there
Journal.
there are. So it says to go to game add-ons and select one of the game add-ons, but I don't see like called the Netherdeep map pack or anything. I
It
see
says it
Pathfinder.
has a compendium, a module, and an art pack.
Yeah, I found a compendium. That's pretty cool. What the characters know. Oh, cool.
Wait, it comes with so it does say that it comes with a map pack. I didn't read the whole thing. I just like saw Follow the Netherdeep and went for it.
It has a map pack that's separate.
Does it? No, hold on.
That's nickel and diamond. That's nickel and diamond.
So there's a compendium.
I'm reading the compendium right now, and it's literally just like a breakdown of some things that the characters are supposed to know.
How much did you pay for this pack? Oh, it's
It
interesting.
wasn't
So
that much.
the entire pack is $50, but the individual things in the pack are also $50. Oh no, it says only available in bundle.
This is cool.
I'm very confused. This is the module.
I mean, yeah, I got the.
So you have to create a game with the module.
Was
which I'm
Exandria
guessing is
Unlimited?
Which I did.
Okay.
Was Exandria Unlimited also placed in the Call in the Netherdeep, or was it a spin-off?
It's in the same. It's in the same world.
Oh, okay. Okay. I was gonna say
The
like
exact same world.
I was gonna say the compendium is giving me some very different information.
And the in-app compendium. Yeah, all of the rules, items, and creatures. Well, yeah. Module includes the adventure mod. Column on the right. This is exactly what I did. I chose it as a module, but I'm not. Where are you seeing maps?
I don't see maps. Oh wait.
Do I see that?
Like I'm looking at the description right now.
Well, it looks like the art pack maybe doesn't actually include maps. It just includes a bunch of like pictures of things.
Oh, no, here we go. Yeah, all book assets and information fully integrated for the VTT, including 140 plus stat blocks and 14 maps with GM layer information and dynamic lighting support.
Wow.
Yeah, so it does come with it.
Is this in the art pack or in something else?
You just gotta find it.
Yeah, apparently you just got to find it.
Oh, it does say that.
It's that easy.
Requires
All
Plus
right.
Pro
Easy.
subscription. Accessing your content. Module. Compendium art pack. I don't know. Roll20 is broken.
God, I'm reading through so much documentation or skimming. I'm skimming.
Power reading.
I'm power reading. I'm looking for keywords like map.
Control F.
Control F. Yes, this is exactly how I'm skimming. You think I'm gonna take the time to read myself with my eyes?
I found. Do you want me to read you a helpful Reddit thread
Yes.
that might solve your problem? So someone posts, "Hey, Roll20ers, I bought the Call of the Netherdeep module, but can't seem to find any of the battle maps in game.
Pretty sure I
missing
had that
something?"
link up.
Just wait. Listen to the thread. It's so good. Hi, friend. Did you add the module when you created the game? Yep, and I can see all the NPC tokens, but I don't see any maps. Continue
Yep.
thread. Can you screenshot the Pages tab? Will do.
Oh
I'm
no,
away
it
from the
ends.
computer right
He
now.
didn't. There is no follow up
I
in
know.
that thread.
I
read through that
understand.
whole
I'll
thing.
be here 2 months ago.
Yep.
And they never came
They
back.
never came back.
My response to that is, how dare you call me a friend then?
Just never shows up.
Yeah, it's the module's in there, or else y'all wouldn't be able to see some of the information that you see.
That's
Yeah,
your.
I
That's
mean,
your.
maybe you need to create the module again. Did you create the module before or after you had Pro?
Oh, wait, here you go.
mode?
Adventure add-ons will create handouts and entries under the Journal tab, and new pages in the Page toolbar for included maps. Okay, Page toolbar. Which one is the Page toolbar? There's Journal, Compendium, Jukebox, Collection. Page toolbar.
All right. Anybody in chat got anything interesting to talk about while we figure out how Roll20 works?
Oh, Page toolbar. Hello, I found the Page toolbar.
I don't know what that means,
Oh,
but
hey.
it sounds exciting.
Move us to a different page. Move us to a different page.
Did that work? Please tell me
Wait,
that
hold on.
worked.
Let me save a picture of my artwork quickly.
I mean, we're still in the art channel.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, I got a picture on my computer. We good now.
All right, I'm switching back. Oh, there's one just called Dungeons. That's funny.
That doesn't seem like it's aligns with Twitch's terms of service.
Just 100% just Dungeons.
Did that
like-
do anything for y'all?
What about Dragons?
No,
No,
I'm still
no,
looking
no.
at the normal
All
one.
Dungeons.
Because I clicked on it and it
We might
changed
have-
it on my screen.
You might have to do something to take us with you. Cause
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out. How do you do that? I want to take you with me. Show to players. No, it's not currently. This is only visible to the GM. Should not do that. Okay.
I tried to make an insight check to see if I could figure out why it's broken, but I failed.
Yeah, that would be a fail.
Oh, don't break it. Don't do things weird. Don't do that. All right.
I'm so lost. I have a map on my screen, but y'all can't see it.
The players will see whichever page you place the player bookmark on. The player bookmark is a red ribbon with the word players on it. You can click and drag to move it between pages, thus moving the players to that new page.
Son of a bitch.
Hey, it changed.
There it is.
Yeah,
Oh, cool.
that's a city.
Okay. This is the city. We are looking at a city right now. And I can look at other pages without y'all. It doesn't change for y'all, right? Y'all don't see this right now? You
No,
just see the
we do
map?
not see it.
Beautiful. Hey,
Oh, this got so
we
much more
got
exciting.
somewhere. Oh my god. Oh, guys.
Oh yeah,
Guys.
yeah. This is gonna be good.
Y'all wanna see something fun?
Yep. Always.
That was right there. Here, I'm gonna move the players to this.
Where are we moving to? It's a black screen.
Is it really a black screen? Can y'all not see this?
That's what I see is a black screen.
Hold on. I want to see. Is it maybe because it won't show this to players?
Maybe it's
No.
secret. Maybe you have to reveal it. I don't know.
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering. I mean, like I'm reading through this, it doesn't seem like anything bad. So like, I want to reveal this thing. I moved the players to it. You're drawing. I can see you drawing.
Oh, I can't see my drawing though because it's secret apparently. Can I draw over here? No, that's outside of the thing.
This is opacity for the grid. Oh, that must just be for the grid. Okay, dynamic lighting varies with shift movement, standard fog of war.
Oh, the Fog of War feature allows you to gradually reveal areas of the map.
Okay.
Fog of War.
Oh, that's gonna be tight.
If I can figure it out.
Uh,
Well, you might need to, if it is Fog of War, then you might need to put down like a player token
yeah.
so that we can see stuff.
Done. Oh, what?
Like
How do you
session
make a player
0.5.
token?
Oh, yeah.
So if anybody here is unfamiliar with sessions in Dungeons and Dragons, usually you have a session 0 where everybody gets oriented with their players, gets oriented with the game mechanics. Even if you've been playing for a long time, it's still really nice just to kind of get a feel for it. Maybe you'll have an encounter, fight something. So far, my experience has been that almost every session 0 in a remote situation looks 100% like this, where it's just like, how are we gonna do this thing with the thing so that we can actually do the thing. So this is par for the core, but straight up, pretty much any game after this, all you're gonna see is me acting like a very disgruntled paladin. I also have a double-headed Viking axe that I can have in the stream. Hopefully I don't break something with it.
Yeah, I do blah. Objects and tokens. I moved y'all here, but apparently that's about all that I can do. I can do this, bring you back to this map, and then here. I'll just throw it in the Discord because that's really all I wanted you guys to see. It was like right there. A page that shows me how to change maps.
Oh,
in
nice.
the very first image.
Oh, but we're not allowed to see it because it's D&D, right?
Or because it's
like
Dungeon
GM.
Master tips, yeah.
Yeah.
That's funny. Yeah,
that's super funny.
Tips. That's hilarious.
Oh, it's got how to do everything.
It has.
Oh yeah, so that token vision line of sight thing, we might run into that at some point.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to play it all.
Sorry, I scribbled on your thing.
It's totally fine.
So there's got to be like a way to set the characters down, right?
Yeah, I don't think we can place our character tokens though. I think Hector has to place them, and then we can like often move them around.
Wait, isn't this our token? Like, would this? No, this is not our token. That would be stupid.
I don't think so. Wait, could you drag yours around?
I can. It's on the bottom left.
Oh, I can turn my webcam on and off. Okay.
Okay.
Trying to connect.
No, I don't think that's your token. I think that's just your like you could turn on video and it'll show your face.
Yeah, that's like your video thing.
Oh. Well, we don't need that, do we?
Here, worst case, I will just draw a circle that is freckle bites. There we go. This is me. I am this little pink bloob, and we'll just move the little pink warp around. I'm over here.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm over here.
Yeah. I feel like there would definitely be tokens though. Like you'd have like paladin tokens.
Yeah. No, there's a bunch of tokens. Like I can do like if I go here, I can go to.
Are you able to remove these things at the bottom left?
So like I can do something like y'all can see this token now, right?
If you double click on it, It
Can I
turns
Yeah,
it into.
there's definitely tokens.
Oh,
Can you
cool.
give me control over a token that you like? Can you like assign it to a person?
uh, probably. I mean, this is,
I can double click on you to pop out
settings.
each of the
Yeah,
videos.
controlled
Oh, no,
by.
never
Here
mind.
you go, Jacob. There you go. You can control that token.
Yeah. Yes. So Fog of War, I guarantee, is gonna work if you have access to the token. And
Yeah.
it is. Oh, this is
I've
fantastic.
revoked. I've revoked access.
No.
No longer do anything. All right, so I can remove that. So I think here we need tokens for y'all. So it's possible that what I need to end up doing is creating some tokens for each player.
Yep.
You can probably just copy the pictures off of D&D Beyond or something.
Yeah, which is what I wanted to do. So I'm the other thing I'm hoping for here is that we can import your character sheets from D&D Beyond. We should be able to do that, but I
Yeah.
haven't even like tried to Google that yet. Let's see, adventure backgrounds, miscellaneous efficiencies, classes, maybe.
Oh, we have 6 viewers now.
Oh
we're
yeah, you're seeing
famous.
me bumble through this.
Famous.
Literally seeing Roll20 for the first time. But I'm a fast learner, I think. Not really.
Jacob, with the little videos in the bottom corner, you can like collapse them or like make them smaller, and then drag them all on top of each other in the corner, at least.
Are you talking about? Yeah, these ones.
Yeah. I think you double click on them to pop out the video and then close it. At least that's what I did.
You're just referring to the people.
Yeah, I
Placeholder.
think you. I don't know how to do it now because I've already collapsed mine, so I don't know how to uncollapse them.
Token page. Oh. Hey. Hello. I found all of the tokens for all of the things that y'all will be facing. Fun. Ooh, super fun. Oh, this is gonna be nice. Okay. So I found those tokens. This is gonna be cool. Man, I'm just like I literally set this up on stream.
All right, so I. Where do I go to collapse them?
Oh, actually, if you go to settings, audio, video, and then video display, then you can set them to names only.
Names. Video display. Names only. That's awesome.
There you go. And then I think you can probably just drag them so they're like off screen if you want. If you make the window a little bit bigger or something.
How do you do that?
Oh, I was just saying for Jacob because he's trying to like stream the Roll20 board.
Well,
You
I
have
also
to.
want to see more of the screen.
Oh, to make them small? Okay, you go to settings, audio and video, video display, player video / avatar size.
Beautiful. Exactly what I wanted.
Can't
Visible
believe they
avatar.
built WebRTC, like a little WebRTC video engine into Roll20. See, we don't need to be using Ping. We should just be using Roll20 to do all this.
Ooh, somebody roll a dice. Let's see what happens.
Okay. Oh, I heard a noise. That's not bad.
Did anything happen?
I rolled it.
Dang.
If I roll it on D20, you should be able to see it. I like the D20 roll, or the D&D Beyond rolls are kind of nice because like you can click the buttons in D&D Beyond to do the rolling.
Yeah, you can do it here too. So like in the left-hand side, there's like a toolbar, and there's a dice.
Yeah, but it doesn't automatically know what dice to roll for you based on like the tribute you're doing.
Oh, yeah. Which is something that Foundry has. Like it just
Yeah, it's all linked in Foundry. I don't know if there's a way to like show D&D Beyond rolls.
I'm gonna Google that real quick because that's kind of like a minimum thing for me. I want y'all to have your D&D Beyond character sheets in here.
Yeah.
Make it easy for y'all to do spells and stuff. Might be a module there.
Oh yeah, there's a jukebox and everything. That's tight.
Yeah. So I can put like little background music for battles and stuff.
Oh, so Beyond 20 is a Chrome and Firefox extension that lets you integrate D&D Beyond with Roll20. It also has an integrated dice roller. Okay, cool. You
Beyond
can click
20,
on any of the side panels in D&D Beyond to roll dice directly into your VTT chat.
Do we all need to have that extension or just DM, you think?
I don't know.
I don't have a problem getting it.
It might be if you go to Jacob, if you switch your tab over to Roll20, can you see my dice roll when I roll?
Can I see your dice roll? Yeah.
Yeah, like if you switch to D&D Beyond, sorry.
Oh. Like right now?
Yeah, are you there? Okay.
Yeah.
Can you see that? I rolled a die.
Yes.
Oh, maybe it didn't. Oh, okay. Did it and just popped up in the bottom right-hand corner?
You rolled a 14?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you are rolling again. 2.
Yeah. So, I mean, I don't know. It's not the fanciest, but if you want to just like when we're rolling switch over, you can like see everything in.
What if I roll here? Can you see here?
If yeah. Oh yeah, in the game log.
Oh, interesting. There are Roll20 API scripts. So it's a good thing I did the pro subscription so I can have API access.
Yeah, so, I mean, maybe we can get the extension just so that the Roll20 and D&D and Beyond are connected.
Yeah, there's also a bunch of like APIs and scripts that like use the Roll20 character sheet. So being able to like import it into Roll20 is a good thing. But when I was doing Foundry, I was able to like there was just a button that you can import D&D Beyond. You just put in the link and
Yeah, and then you just use the D&D and Beyond character sheet and it made changes to Foundry, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
So that might be worth looking into.
Well, I think Roll20 has that capability. We just gotta figure it out.
Yeah, I agree. Requires Pro to import a D&D Beyond character into the so still in development. Okay, commands are changed. It's not update on D&D Beyond.
Currently is just shirts and frames.
Huh.
For all all the
Chat
it's all
beyond
5 viewers right there. We got some Led Zeppelin poster right there. There's another one over there you can't see. Led Zeppelin. And then that's a shirt inside of a frame. So very much looks like if you went to a really sketchy office, like a lawyer office, in like a strip mall. You can see on the walls probably.
Yeah, I found a whole thread on how we can do this. I just have to like follow the steps in it. Okay, so go to the character pages in D&D Beyond.
You know what I'm missing? I'm missing like that like really old. You could tell it's not expensive, but it is very old furniture that has random trophies that you can't tell what they're for. To really round off the strip mall lawyer experience.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about my aesthetic. Right now, my
The strip mall aesthetic is what you're going for.
Yeah. Strip mall lawyer. You gotta get that all in there. And we got shirts and frames and hard old rock, classic rock, whatever you call it, doesn't matter anymore. Posters in frames as well. Oh yeah, and like one of those alligator heads. You know what I'm talking about? Like you like buy as like a souvenir in Florida. Those are always in those offices.
Yeah. It's not like a good. It's not like a good thing though. Like, is this something you want to replicate?
When in Rome.
I mean, I'm happy that you're happy about this.
I'm trying to bring up the JSON representation of your character sheets.
That's fair. I'm trying to embed a D&D Beyond game log into OBS. It's pretty hard. Fun fact.
Oh, like, are you trying to get it so like rolls dice or something on the screen?
Yeah, that's kind of the dream.
That's kind of the dream.
It's a little ambitious because you need to be offed in order to like see the game log.
Mm-hmm.
I could maybe make something pretty cool.
Well, my guess is because like every time we roll the 3D dice in D&D Beyond, you get an animation. My guess is that animation might be connected to a URL, right? Like some sort of HTTP request. Could be that we just need to pick that up.
I mean, that would be very cool. I'm doing this a much more brute force way. For the record.
I got the JSON representation for Amira Afara.
Hey, that's me.
All right, what's the next step? Next step is in.
Oh no, I'm trying to sign into Twitch in an OBS browser embed. Pray for me. Very small. Here's my password.
How do we still have 5 viewers? All right. First off, thanks for showing up, everybody.
Right, as we're figuring all this out.
I stopped being entertaining probably 30 minutes ago. So the fact that there's still 5 people here not only is impressive, but I applaud your endurance.
Yeah, yep, that's the word.
Or constitution.
Yes.
Oh, I did it.
Everybody
D&D
gets
Beyond.
everybody gets inspiration on their next Constitution saving throw.
Okay, now.
So how do you bring in the Beyond Importer onto Roll20? Is the real question. You know, it's funny, like this GitHub repo is not like other GitHub repos that, you know, show you the installation steps on the README.
No, that would be much too easy.
That would be much too easy.
Oh, I mean, according to all the people that I have argued with on Twitter, because that's productive, the code should just be self-documenting. It should be self-apparent.
No. Oh, no.
But some person on Twitter told me that all code should just be self-apparent. I'm sorry. I'm a firm believer in if it's self-documenting, it's undocumented.
Oh, how to install API scripts via one-click install. Watch this be more than one click.
How did our D&D session trying to figure out how Roll20 worked devolve into looking into GitHub repositories and APIs?
Because we have to get into
D&D.
Yeah, and you throw scripts in the mix, and we all get lost.
Nerds.
Yeah, it's kind of fun though.
It is kind of fun because once it works, then you're like, oh yeah. So API scripts have to be installed for each campaign individually. On the settings and select the API scripts. Okay, I can do that. Where did everything go?
Oh, that's interesting. How did you get... Oh, that's clever. I didn't know you could do that.
What?
Ping has this little neat trick where you can set people up with spacing and then have multiple views with that spacing.
Yeah, so the 3 of us on the right here are a single embed, including some. If you look at that embed, there's also some fancy CSS in there that changes the aspect ratio of the video players.
Yeah.
Which is something I want to support more officially very soon, compared to what you saw that I did there.
Yeah. That is super cool, and also explains why I was like, why can't I find these other 2 players? Just because it's just one. It's one embed here.
Ooh, Roll20 has an API script library, actually. Interesting. Okay. Oh, there's so many API scripts here.
So this is, I tricked everybody, by the way. This is actually a coding stream.
I've been nerd sniped.
Gotcha.
What's that from? I remember that.
I don't know.
I don't even know where that was from. That was from me.
It's from like a TV show. No, Nerd Sniping.
Is it really?
It's like, yeah, you like. Oh, it's from XKCD. You're referencing an XKCD.
Oh god.
There's a certain type of brain that's easily disabled. If you show it an interesting problem, it
Hello.
involuntarily drops everything else to work on it.
This is me.
Oh man.
Everybody, welcome to my brain. You want to know how to disable me? Nerd snipe me.
Did that prevent you from sending a link or something?
Did it? I don't know. I didn't even notice. Maybe I got blocked. I don't know.
Yeah.
It says that it sent for me, but maybe I got modded. Did you mod me?
I didn't mod you. I think I just have it set very, very strict for the stream. I can turn that off. Hold on.
Oh, I almost did it. So close.
Oh, I should probably not be showing that page, huh? How do I do this then?
What page were you showing?
My Twitch admin panel.
Oh yeah. I mean,
Oh,
in
no.
in
Not
OBS,
be
you
doing
can just
that.
like create something over top of where you're rendering the like screen preview,
Yeah,
and then you
good
can
point.
hide it.
Okay. Alright, fuck it. New script. And these are just a bunch of scripts. Which one is it? Beyond Importer is probably the one that I'm looking for. Yeah, here we go. Let's grab this. Copy raw contents. Thank you. Load that GitHub, put that in there. In here.
I need to look at these images because I don't have any previews.
Does it work? Does it work? Beyond Importer ready. Oh, sweet. Okay. Okie dokie. So then I'm going to go in here to the game. Refresh because I don't even know if it does it live or not.
Yeah, this is gonna be fun.
Okay.
By funny, I mean completely dumb.
Copy this. And then what was the incantation again? Incantation is no, that's not right. I had the incantation pulled up here somewhere, and I feel like I have lost it.
There we go. Nope. Yep. Nope.
See, this is where a good remake would be really nice.
Yes. You can't see.
What?
Nothing. I'm amusing myself. 6 viewers. We're back up. Top of the list. Most popular D&D stream. I guess coding stream. I don't know what we are anymore. We were doing art earlier.
We're doing art, yeah.
We were doing some avant-garde art. Twitch.
Matched. Oh, nice. Okay, I think.
Content. Nope. Settings, maybe.
Oh shit! They have readmes in all of the scripts. It's not at the top.
You startled
Of the
you
repo.
startled the shit out of me.
Okay, I got it. I found the. They actually do have readmes, but it like the way the repo is set up is there's a bunch of folders with the scripts inside of them, and then those folders have readmes.
Where is this image being loaded from? Oh, I got it. Oh, it's in main.
Okay, so I tried to import Amira.
Okay, well the auto mod's not blocking. Wait, permitted terms phrases.
Can y'all see character sheets by any chance?
Where?
No idea. Where do we find it?
um,
Look at that wooden background.
yeah, yeah. You like that?
Can I see a
It's
character
so
sheet
good.
in D&D Beyond?
Do you see a character sheet in Roll20?
That's what I meant. Sorry, man, I mix those up a lot. No, not now. But I don't know. Where would I look for a character sheet?
That's what I want to know. You know, this close to going to Foundry.
I do like Foundry a lot.
Like, at least I know how to use it because it's what I'm playing my current campaign on in my other group.
I mean, is there any trade-offs that we need to worry about with Foundry?
Honestly, it seems like the exact same thing. You're doing scripts, bringing in modules, just like Roll20 is. I thought Roll20 was more of a like turnkey operation.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
I am wrong. I have already spent a lot of time trying to figure this stuff out.
This is silly. I don't seem to have anything that says that I would be blocking URLs in my chat.
Okay, show this menu, show this configuration menu. Projects. And send. Is that it? No? I don't even know where to access the character sheets. That should be something that should be just like easy to find.
What's easy
In
to find?
Foundry, it's just at the top right. It's literally just a tab for character sheets.
I mean, I think the people who made Foundry were kind of upset with Roll20.
You know? You might be right. And it doesn't really matter. I mean, I didn't spend a lot of money anyways. So. And I'd rather have something that is a joy to use.
Okay, wow.
Like that. This isn't very intuitive for me right now.
Oh, I did it!
You found the character sheets?
No.
The other thing you were working on.
Yeah. I think I've made it so that a role here shows up in... No, it doesn't work. Ugh. Here, wait. Can you roll in D&D Beyond, Jacob?
Roll D20.
Hey, it popped up.
You did? Where?
In my OBS.
Oh.
with a lot of effort. No, we should not do what I'm doing here. Mostly because you have to log into D&D Beyond to get the data to come up properly, which means clicking through a lot of fields in an OBS capture.
That's awful.
Yeah, it would definitely be better to
Have like a plugin.
no, not even. That would make more sense. No, it's just a browser embed that I did evil things to.
That sounds like web development.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, D&D Beyond doesn't seem to have a good interface for doing most things. Tragically. I remember Foundry has much better ways to get stuff in and out of stuff. Roll20 probably does too. It doesn't have the pretty animated dice. Actually, Foundry has the best animated dice, not gonna lie.
They do have some nice animated dice.
They will kill your CPU with the gorgeous animated dice. Just absolutely demolish it.
My CPU is just like, yes, step on me, please.
Downside with Foundry though is you have to like host it or find somewhere to host it.
Yeah, that's the thing. And
Oh, hey.
I am an
found 3D
iOS
dice.
developer.
Can I see your 3D dice? No. How did you make 3D dice? Oh, also you rolled a 20.
I rolled a 20. Leave that
Oh, there it is. Well, I activated 3D dice in Roll20.
Oh, okay.
That's what I was saying, to roll dice.
But I can't see them. But Jacob can see them. Do I need to refresh my thing?
Yeah, you probably need a refresh.
Recalculating splines.
Oh, I had to turn it on in my settings as well.
Oh, dice options. Oh, there you go. Enable 3D dice, automatically roll 3D dice. Okay.
Toy.
Ooh, there we go.
Can I change my color? Why am I want to be a better color?
I
Need Freckle Bites pink.
The color of your character.
No, we're gonna hold on. We have to make it pink.
You know, I've tried to import your character sheet a bunch of times. Watch there, and somewhere here be like 3 Anira Afaras.
We'll find them one day, hiding.
Hiding in a place where they should not be. Be out in the open. I could see you. And honestly, like I don't even see where you would create a character sheet to begin with here. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's say you want to create one from scratch. Where the hell do you do that? Wow.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. That's everything I hoped it would be. The dice don't like go away, hey.
They don't. Yeah, it's interesting. Apparently, there's short.
I don't think
commands
it's
for
active.
that.
Oh, it's because the script was failing. That's why. It wasn't
It doesn't seem to, like, I tell it to roll 1,000 versus 100, and it doesn't actually make more of them. Seems like there is a limit. Oh, when you click, they go away. Oh, but not for you, only for whoever clicks.
There we go. There we go.
Ooh.
I can just get this to work.
All right, well, okay, now I'm 50-50 between Roll20 and Foundry. Now that I've discovered that I can have 3D dice. That was all I really cared about.
That's all you wanted for the other one.
Although I can't click the buttons in D&D Beyond still, I guess.
Yeah.
Magic.
I think if we could figure out a way just to connect the character sheet from D&D Beyond to Roll20 so that we're just using the character sheets, that would...
I think you still... But I think you can't, like, if you click the buttons to roll in D&D Beyond, that still doesn't, like, translate over properly to the campaign or anything.
Well, in Foundry, unless we just didn't have the module in there, when I rolled in D&D Beyond, it didn't happen in Foundry. But it's possible we just didn't have the actual module we're looking for. Yeah, this script is just not working. So, yeah, sorry, y'all. I'm gonna try to figure out Foundry, and y'all have experience with that too, right?
With Foundry? I've never actually, like, set it up. I've used it before, like, as a player.
Yeah, I've used it as a player too. But I have somebody I can ask about that stuff, so...
I mean, I've played before where we do most of it in D&D Beyond, but then just use, like, the maps in Roll20 and stuff. So we use it as, like, a movement system, but not really as, like, a combat system exactly.
Mm-hmm.
So there's just a command in Roll20 that is bang beyond import.
What?
What?
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
So you just be like, in this chat, I'm assuming it's just going to be beyond, need you help.
I typed it in, but it didn't do anything.
And then...
Nope.
Oh, refresh. See if that actually helps.
It's not responding with any of these commands.
Well, because I don't think the scripts or anything are actually here. Where you said exclamation beyond?
Yeah. Oh, I see. It's because these scripts have to be
Added to your own account, I think, in Roll20.
Yeah. Alright, so there's got to be something built in by now, right?
Yeah, if you go to in Roll20, you can go to the game itself, and then there should be like settings, I think. At least that's how I got to it, but it could be because I had the pro subscription or what have you. time is it? All right, I'll try to be there soon.
Well, I have figured out a way to embed like a tiny version of the game log from D&D Beyond into or from D&D Beyond into OBS.
Import existing character.
What are you looking at right now?
Character from with your player or GM choosing.
This is from characters in Roll20 already.
Yeah.
Content. That's not it. Okay. Scripts, settings. I'm doing what they're telling me to do. Just. Yeah. I'm gonna look into Foundry.
Hold on. Hey, I have a cool thing. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I'm not seeing a damn thing here.
Okay, check this out.
What are we looking at?
So if you look at my OBS virtual camera on my thing, you can see very small. Let me make it much bigger.
Ah, beautiful.
Okay, so basically, oh no, my crop isn't quite right. Slightly more off the left. There we go. No more line. And if I do a roll in Roll20, no, I lost D&D Beyond. One sec. D&D Beyond. Evelyn of returning.
Ooh. I like that.
And it's only pretty hacky.
It's
only pretty hacky.
Wow, look at that intimidation check, God. And yours gonna be so fucking intimidating. But yeah, if you want, we could totally like set this up in like just stick it over on the right hand side or something and just have our log in there. Ooh, who rolled?
Me.
Ooh, with the fancy dice set.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Anyway, so you were saying what?
If we want to, we can set this up in Jacob's OBS. So kind of, I don't know, somewhere on the right side or something. We can have have our dice log, and then use Roll20 for the maps. I don't know.
That would be really nice.
All right, this browser extension has got to be it.
Okay, we can keep this as a backup plan while you go with the browser extension. I don't know. I really like the convenience of rolling in D&D Beyond because, like, especially
Me
for
too.
people learning, right? You just click on. You're like, I want to do a feat. I did
And
the
they have
feat.
a really good mobile app too. So like,
This literally integrates the D&D Beyond character sheet with Roll20 and Foundry.
Yeah, but just the character sheet doesn't bring like necessarily like the rolling. It said it can provide a dice roller for rolling all your skills and attacks directly from the D&D Beyond character sheet. I mean, if we can get that working, very, very down.
Wow, we could
Yeah.
add this.
Yeah, give
let's
it
try
a
to go for
shot.
that.
Yeah,
Like zero looking into if it's safe or not. Oh, cool. It just automatically redirected me to this very janky site.
safety.
Sweet. Swifty. I'm going to assume that it's okay, and now I'm just going to use it.
Yeah. Because if you don't, I will.
Fine. It'll be fine. What's the worst that can happen? It only has, like, my entire browser context.
So you said it's a Chrome plugin
Yeah, it's a Chrome
or
extension.
extension?
It's called
Okay.
Beyond 20.
Open Chrome Web Store. Chrome. Sure.
Okay, it did something.
Seems like updated.
Yep, it has the context of my character. That was crazy because I saw the whole character sheet like shift as it like scanned the HTML or something.
Wait, really? So wait, what happens if you click a roll button? Let me look at Roll20 and see if I can see it happen. Wait, I lost Roll20. No, I have it here. Okay, go. Whoa. That was a lot of things.
Oh, there's Discord integrations too. Oh, this is gonna get sweet. All right.
If you roll like hit DC on your attack or something.
Yeah. All right, let's do that. Where am I?
Oh, it has a little pop-up on everything. Okay, so you click that, and then... Oh, hey, a thing popped up.
This is great. Yes.
But I don't know if we can see them
Wow,
on stream,
that
because
was
they don't.
fast.
Yeah.
What do you mean? You see them on screen.
Well, you can't see that part in the embed. You could slide it over so we could see it.
Oh yeah. No problem. I mean, I gotta figure this part of the window out anyways.
Interesting. I can click on it, but it like... Oh, wow. Okay.
No,
Tells you all
that's
the info under it.
That's this one. Hold on.
Hey, there it is.
Oh, nice.
I just rolled for you.
Thanks.
And
Did I roll a 25?
yeah, apparently on your javelin of returning
And then 9 piercing damage? Nice.
with 9 piercing damage. Okay, that's not bad. What happens if I do it in the app? I somehow doubt that'll actually work.
Well, if I do it here... Yeah, that didn't pop up. So I think everyone has to install the extension, right?
Yeah.
But my jank game log way is... Also, well, kind of works. Can you try something for me, Jacob?
Yeah. What's up?
Can you make a new browser source with this URL I'm sending you in Discord? Just the campaign URL.
A campaign URL for what?
For D&D Beyond.
Yeah.
And yeah, just make a browser source in OBS for that.
Oh, okay.
Meantime, let me remove the script.
Okay, so it wants you to sign in. You can sign in if you want, and then this should work. It does remember your sign in after you do it, but we might want to do this off stream. To interact with it, you go right click and then you click interact, and it opens up like a separate window that lets you interact with the Chrome window.
All right, so the extension was way easier to use.
Yeah. What am I?
That's what I call a turnkey operation.
What was I doing that for?
I can show you after. It's in theory we can embed like the D&D Beyond log directly. Or we can do it through Roll20.
I like the idea of doing it directly so we can update the UI.
Well, then you can use the app and stuff too, right? Yeah.
That's weird. Why is it showing this again?
I think you've got your desktop capture there. Oh yeah, I don't know why that's above the window capture though.
Oh, try to press the little I next to desktop.
You can't see the window capture at all. That's you. Yeah, and if you
Right.
toggle the eye on the desktop, yeah, that's the whole thing.
Oh,
Interesting.
this is not working as well.
Yeah, it seems like your window capture isn't window capturing.
Mm-hmm. So stream your desktop again. Like click the eye on the desktop or whatever. Go back to OBS.
Yeah, it's working now.
Let's see. Oh, there you go. Now we can actually see things.
I just gotta figure out how to. Oh. No. There we go.
That Roll20 noise.
Only the best.
Interesting.
Oh my god, we've been streaming for 2 hours?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Without doubt it.
Jeez.
Now, how does one delete a character sheet? Delete. Cool. So that's supposed to show up in the journal. Hmm. Nice. Okay, so that script really just wasn't working. Who's the character? Sure. Yeah. Why not? Building wall character. Return it? No. Abilities. As a player, I really liked being able in Foundry to just bring up the character sheet, click on something in the character sheet.
You mean to roll?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, Foundry does a good job with that.
I will. Honestly, I think that's what I'm gonna want to do after this experience. Man,
Well, I mean,
you want to do Foundry or just stick with D&D Beyond, you mean?
so if we do D&D Beyond, like that's cool. We can do stuff with that. Foundry, we can still stick with D&D Beyond. Like what I'm
Yeah.
trying to do is have the integration from D&D Beyond be like perfect. You know.
yeah,
I
Um,
mean,
that
I feel
extension
like
works.
it's
That extension works for Foundry too.
yeah, it works for Foundry as well. Um, but mainly because like Foundry also just lets you straight up like you see the character sheet embedded in the same screen that you're playing on.
yeah.
And
Yeah, I
when you
mean,
bring it up, it looks exactly like D&D Beyond's like character sheet.
yeah, Foundry is like super good for that. I don't know how much work it is to set up. I know my friend who did it last time had a bit more trouble with it, but
Well, I mean, it can't be any more trouble than this,
well,
right?
yeah, I mean, I think Roll
Famous
20
last
just like
words.
just doesn't do a lot of this stuff really without a lot of like help.
Coaxing, yeah. Like, what is Roll20 good for then? Is it just what
It's just good for
maps?
maps, honestly. It's like a big synchronized canvas, as far as I know. Um,
Yeah, Foundry is good for maps too.
Foundry is definitely the newer, better Roll 20. um,
I'm
All right. Well, I say we call it then, and we can hack on our own stuff on the side.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm
Sounds
gonna
good.
be hacking away on this.
It was fun. It was fun, even though we didn't play D&D. Looking forward to the next.
Now we got to explore Roll20 and decide we don't like it, or at
Yeah.
least I don't like it.
Exactly.
I want to set things up as a DM. I'm gonna look into Foundry, see what this looks like. This was a fucking nightmare.
I am to keep messing with OBS and stuff.
Yeah, if you have any questions about OBS, feel free to ask any of us. Like that can help you
Awesome.
out with all of them.
Yeah, I seem to have a very deep well of experienced individuals. And now we're gonna do this.